Welcome to our in-depth exploration of U.S. immigration visas, focusing on the T Visa and the Violence Against Women Act, or VAWA. We'll walk you through the complexities and provide you with essential insights. In this video, we will cover the following agenda items: understanding T visas, exploring VAWA, comparing T visas and VAWA, and finally, advice on seeking legal counsel. A T visa is available for victims of severe human trafficking, including sex trafficking or forced labor. To qualify, the victim must show they have endured such acts and are willing to cooperate with law enforcement in the prosecution of these crimes. The application process is intricate, demanding substantial evidence. The key requirements for T visas include being a victim of severe human trafficking, such as sex trafficking or forced labor. A willingness to cooperate with law enforcement in the investigation or prosecution of trafficking is also needed. Lastly, applicants must provide substantial evidence of the trafficking and their cooperation. The Violence Against Women Act, or VAWA, provides a legal pathway for immigrants who've suffered abuse by a U.S. citizen or lawful permanent resident spouse. Unlike the T visa, VAWA concentrates on domestic abuse, which can be physical, psychological, or emotional. Importantly, VAWA does not necessitate cooperation with law enforcement, although evidence of abuse is crucial. When applying under VAWA, applicants must demonstrate a genuine marriage to a U.S. citizen or lawful permanent resident, provide evidence of abuse which could be physical, psychological, or emotional, and submit documentation supporting the marriage and relationship. The video compares T visas and VAWA, highlighting the different focuses. T visas are centered around human trafficking and necessitate cooperation with law enforcement, along with ample evidence. On the other hand, VAWA underscores domestic violence, has no requirement for law enforcement cooperation, but requires evidence of abuse. Choosing the appropriate path hinges on the individual situation. Time to test your understanding. What is a significant difference between T visas and VAWA? Here are your options. 1. T visas require law enforcement cooperation. VAWA does not. 2. VAWA requires law enforcement cooperation. T visas do not. 3. Both require law enforcement cooperation. 4. Neither requires law enforcement cooperation. You may pause the video now to think about the answer. We'll discuss the answer in the next section of the video. The correct answer is that T visas require law enforcement cooperation, whereas VAWA does not. T visas involve human trafficking cases, where investigation and prosecution cooperation is crucial. VAWA, however, assists victims of domestic violence, without mandating law enforcement cooperation. Due to the complex nature of immigration law, seeking a qualified and experienced immigration attorney's help is highly recommended. An attorney can carefully evaluate your situation and advise on the most suitable visa option, aid with application preparation, and represent you throughout the process. It's pivotal not to rely on unqualified assistance. Choosing the right attorney is an investment in your future, and thorough research is essential. Wrapping everything up, T visas cater to human trafficking victims who cooperate with law enforcement, while VAWA provides for domestic violence victims independently of law enforcement. Always consult professional legal advisors for the best course of action. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope you found it useful. Please like, share, and do not forget to comment your thoughts below. Subscribe to our channel for more enriching content.